Accountability is a cornerstone of any successful operational environment. It refers to the obligation of individuals and teams to take responsibility for their actions, decisions, and outcomes. In business settings, accountability ensures that everyone knows their roles and duties, which leads to greater efficiency and trust. By establishing clear expectations and holding people answerable, organizations can foster a culture where performance is measured and improvements are continuously made. This scene sets the stage for understanding how accountability impacts operational environments and why it matters for organizational success. Operational environments are the settings in which organizations carry out their daily activities. These environments include processes, systems, and people working together to achieve business goals. Whether it's a manufacturing plant, a corporate office, or a logistics hub, the operational environment is shaped by its structure, culture, and resources. Understanding the dynamics of these environments is crucial for implementing accountability measures. By recognizing the unique challenges and opportunities within each operational context, organizations can tailor their accountability strategies for maximum impact. Leadership plays a pivotal role in establishing accountability within operational environments. Leaders set the tone by modeling responsible behavior and making expectations clear. They communicate goals, delegate tasks, and monitor progress, ensuring that everyone understands their responsibilities. Effective leaders also provide feedback and support, helping team members overcome obstacles and learn from mistakes. By fostering trust and transparency, leaders create an environment where accountability thrives, leading to improved performance and morale. Culture of accountability doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort and commitment from all levels of the organization. This culture is built by encouraging open communication, recognizing achievements, and addressing failures constructively. When employees feel valued and understand how their actions contribute to organizational goals, they are more likely to take ownership of their work. Regular training, clear policies, and positive reinforcement help embed accountability into the fabric of the operational environment. One of the most effective ways to promote accountability is by setting clear expectations. This involves defining roles, responsibilities, and performance standards for every team member. When expectations are transparent, employees know exactly what is required of them and how their work will be evaluated. This clarity reduces confusion and ensures that everyone is working towards the same objectives. Regular reviews and updates to expectations keep the team aligned and responsive to changing operational needs. Effective communication is essential for accountability in operational environments. Clear channels for sharing information, reporting progress, and discussing challenges help teams stay connected and informed. Whether through meetings, emails, or digital platforms, communication ensures that everyone is aware of their responsibilities and any changes in procedures. Open dialogue also allows for quick resolution of issues and fosters a sense of collaboration, making accountability a shared value. Monitoring performance is a key aspect of accountability. Organizations use various tools and metrics to track progress and evaluate outcomes. Regular performance reviews, audits, and feedback sessions help identify strengths and areas for improvement. By keeping a close eye on operational activities, managers can ensure that standards are being met and provide support where needed. This proactive approach not only maintains accountability, but also drives continuous improvement. Feedback is vital for reinforcing accountability. Constructive feedback helps employees understand what they are doing well and where they can improve. It should be timely, specific, and focused on behaviors rather than personal traits. Effective feedback mechanisms include regular check-ins, peer reviews, and performance appraisals. When feedback is part of the operational routine, it encourages learning and growth, making accountability a positive force within the organization. Recognizing achievements is an important motivator in operational environments. When employees are acknowledged for their contributions, it reinforces the value of accountability. Recognition can take many forms, from public praise to rewards and promotions. Celebrating successes not only boosts morale, but also encourages others to strive for excellence. By making recognition a regular practice, organizations build a culture where accountability is celebrated and desired. Failures are inevitable in any operational environment, but how they are addressed makes a difference. Constructive handling of mistakes involves identifying root causes, learning from errors, and implementing corrective actions. Instead of assigning blame, organizations should focus on solutions and improvement. This approach fosters resilience and encourages employees to take responsibility without fear. Addressing failures constructively strengthens accountability and drives progress. Goal clarity is essential for accountability. When employees understand their specific duties and how they fit into the larger operational framework, they are more likely to take ownership of their tasks. Clear job descriptions, training, and regular updates help maintain role clarity. This reduces overlap and confusion, ensuring that everyone is accountable for their assigned responsibilities. Role clarity also facilitates collaboration and efficient workflow. Delegation is a powerful tool for accountability. By assigning tasks and responsibilities to the right people, leaders empower their teams and ensure that work is distributed effectively. Delegation requires trust, clear instructions, and ongoing support. When employees are given autonomy, they are more likely to take responsibility for their outcomes. Effective delegation also frees up leaders to focus on strategic priorities, enhancing overall operational performance. Transparency is a key driver of accountability. When processes, decisions, and outcomes are visible to all stakeholders, it builds trust and reduces misunderstandings. Transparent operations involve sharing information openly, documenting procedures, and making data accessible. This openness encourages employees to act responsibly and supports informed decision-making. Transparency also helps identify issues early, allowing for prompt corrective action and continuous improvement. Ethical standards are fundamental to accountability in operational environments. Organizations must establish clear codes of conduct and ensure that all employees adhere to them. Ethics guide decision-making and behavior, helping prevent misconduct and promoting fairness. Regular training and reinforcement of ethical standards create a culture where accountability is linked to integrity. When ethics are prioritized, employees are more likely to act responsibly and uphold organizational values. Risk management is closely tied to accountability. Identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks ensures that operational activities are carried out safely and efficiently. Accountability requires that everyone understands potential risks and their role in managing them. Regular risk assessments, training, and contingency planning help organizations stay prepared. By integrating risk management into daily operations, accountability becomes a proactive practice that protects both people and resources. Continuous improvement is a hallmark of accountable operational environments. Organizations that regularly evaluate their processes and seek ways to enhance performance demonstrate a commitment to accountability. Improvement initiatives can include process optimization, technology upgrades, and employee training. By encouraging innovation and learning, organizations create a culture where accountability drives progress and excellence. Continuous improvement ensures that operational environments remain competitive and resilient. Technology plays a significant role in supporting accountability. Digital tools and platforms enable organizations to track performance, share information, and automate processes. Technology also facilitates transparency and communication, making it easier to monitor progress and address issues. By leveraging technology, operational environments can enhance accountability, streamline workflows, and improve decision-making. The integration of technology ensures that accountability is maintained even as operations evolve. Training and development are essential for building accountability. Regular training ensures that employees have the skills and knowledge needed to fulfill their responsibilities. Development programs also help individuals grow professionally and adapt to changing operational demands. By investing in training, organizations demonstrate their commitment to accountability and empower employees to perform at their best. Ongoing development keeps teams engaged and ready to meet new challenges. Policy enforcement is crucial for maintaining accountability. Clear policies provide guidelines for behavior and decision-making, while enforcement ensures that rules are followed. Consistent application of policies prevents favoritism and maintains fairness. When employees know that policies are enforced, they are more likely to act responsibly. Policy enforcement also helps organizations address issues promptly and maintain operational integrity. Conflict resolution is an important aspect of accountability. Operational environments often involve diverse teams and complex tasks, which can lead to disagreements. Effective conflict resolution strategies include open communication, mediation, and problem solving. By addressing conflicts constructively, organizations prevent disruptions and maintain a positive work atmosphere. Accountability requires that everyone takes responsibility for resolving issues and contributing to a harmonious environment. Team collaboration enhances accountability in operational environments. When teams work together, they share responsibilities and support each other in achieving goals. Collaboration encourages open dialogue, idea sharing, and joint problem solving. By fostering a collaborative culture, organizations ensure that accountability is a collective effort. Teams that collaborate effectively are more resilient, adaptable, and committed to delivering results. Decision-making processes are central to accountability. Clear and structured decision-making ensures that actions are aligned with organizational goals and that responsibilities are assigned appropriately. Involving relevant stakeholders and documenting decisions promotes transparency and accountability. When decisions are made thoughtfully and communicated clearly, employees understand their roles and are more likely to take ownership of outcomes. Resource allocation is a key factor in operational accountability. Ensuring that teams have the necessary resources, such as time, tools, and personnel, enables them to fulfill their responsibilities. Transparent and fair allocation of resources prevents bottlenecks and supports efficient operations. By monitoring resource use and adjusting allocations as needed, organizations maintain accountability and optimize performance. Operational metrics are essential for measuring accountability. Key performance indicators, KPIs, and other metrics provide objective data on progress and outcomes. By tracking metrics regularly, organizations can identify trends, spot issues, and celebrate successes. Metrics also help set benchmarks and inform decision-making. When accountability is measured, it becomes easier to manage and improve operational performance. Documenting processes is vital for accountability. Clear documentation ensures that procedures are followed consistently and that responsibilities are understood. Process maps, manuals, and checklists provide guidance and support training. Documentation also helps identify gaps and areas for improvement. By maintaining accurate records, organizations reinforce accountability and facilitate knowledge transfer. Audits are an important tool for accountability. Regular audits assess compliance with policies, procedures, and standards. They help identify risks, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. Audits also provide objective feedback and support transparency. By conducting audits, organizations demonstrate their commitment to accountability and ensure that operational environments remain effective and compliant. Supervisors play a critical role in enforcing accountability. They oversee daily operations, provide guidance, and ensure that standards are met. Supervisors also serve as a link between management and employees, facilitating communication and resolving issues. By monitoring performance and offering support, supervisors help maintain accountability and drive operational success. Empowering employees is essential for accountability. When individuals are trusted to make decisions and take ownership of their work, they are more motivated and engaged. Empowerment involves providing resources, training, and autonomy. By encouraging initiative and recognizing contributions, organizations foster a culture where accountability is valued and practiced. Change is inevitable in operational environments, and managing it effectively is crucial for accountability. Change management involves planning, communication, and support to ensure smooth transitions. By involving employees in the process and addressing concerns, organizations maintain accountability and minimize disruptions. Successful change management strengthens operational resilience and adaptability. Customer-focused approach enhances accountability in operational environments. By prioritizing customer needs and feedback, organizations ensure that their operations deliver value and quality. Accountability requires that employees understand their impact on customer satisfaction and strive to meet expectations. Regular customer feedback and service reviews help maintain high standards and drive continuous improvement. Supplier relationships are an important aspect of operational accountability. Organizations must ensure that suppliers meet quality, ethical, and performance standards. Clear contracts, regular evaluations, and open communication help maintain accountability in supplier interactions. By managing supplier relationships effectively, organizations support operational integrity and reliability. Compliance with legal and regulatory requirements is a key component of accountability. Organizations must ensure that their operations adhere to relevant laws, standards, and guidelines. Regular compliance checks, training, and documentation help maintain accountability and prevent violations. Compliance also protects organizations from legal risks and supports ethical operations. Data management is essential for accountability in operational environments. Accurate and secure data supports decision-making, performance tracking, and compliance. Organizations must establish clear data policies, ensure data integrity, and protect sensitive information. By managing data effectively, accountability is maintained and operational risks are minimized. Reporting systems are vital for accountability. They provide a structured way to share information, track progress, and document outcomes. Effective reporting systems include dashboards, regular updates, and performance summaries. By making reporting a routine practice, organizations ensure transparency and facilitate informed decision-making. Incident management is a critical aspect of operational accountability. When unexpected events occur, organizations must respond quickly and effectively. Incident management involves reporting, investigation, and corrective actions. By handling incidents transparently and learning from them, organizations reinforce accountability and improve operational resilience. Engaged employees are more likely to embrace accountability. Workforce engagement involves creating a positive work environment, offering opportunities for growth, and recognizing contributions. Engaged teams are motivated, productive, and committed to organizational goals. By fostering engagement, organizations strengthen accountability and drive operational success. Performance incentives encourage accountability by rewarding employees for meeting or exceeding expectations. Incentives can include bonuses, promotions, and recognition programs. By linking rewards to performance, organizations motivate employees to take ownership of their work and strive for excellence. Incentives also reinforce desired behaviors and support a culture of accountability. Operational integrity is the foundation of accountability. It involves maintaining high standards, ethical practices, and consistent performance. Integrity ensures that actions are aligned with organizational values and that responsibilities are fulfilled. By prioritizing integrity, organizations build trust and credibility, making accountability a natural part of their operations. Operational environments face various challenges that can impact accountability. These include resource constraints, changing regulations, and technological disruptions. Addressing challenges requires adaptability, proactive planning, and ongoing support. By recognizing and managing challenges, organizations maintain accountability and ensure operational stability. Global operations add complexity to accountability. Organizations operating across borders must navigate diverse cultures, regulations, and business practices. Clear communication, standardized procedures, and local adaptation are essential for maintaining accountability. By embracing global perspectives and ensuring consistency, organizations succeed in international operational environments. Sustainability is increasingly important in operational environments. Accountability requires that organizations consider environmental and social impacts in their operations. Sustainable practices include resource conservation, waste reduction, and ethical sourcing. By integrating sustainability into operations, organizations demonstrate accountability to stakeholders and contribute to long-term success. Innovation drives operational excellence and accountability. Organizations that encourage creative thinking and experimentation are better equipped to solve problems and adapt to change. Accountability ensures that innovation is managed responsibly and aligned with organizational goals. By balancing innovation and accountability, organizations achieve sustainable growth and competitive advantage. Operational excellence is the result of sustained accountability. It involves optimizing processes, maximizing efficiency, and delivering consistent results. Excellence requires commitment from all levels of the organization and a focus on continuous improvement. By striving for operational excellence, organizations reinforce accountability and achieve superior performance. Future trends in operational environments will shape accountability practices. Advances in technology, changing workforce dynamics, and evolving customer expectations require organizations to adapt. Embracing new tools, flexible work arrangements, and innovative strategies will enhance accountability. By staying ahead of trends, organizations ensure that accountability remains relevant and effective. Summary: accountability is essential for operational environments to thrive. It involves clear expectations, effective communication, performance monitoring, and ethical practices. By fostering a culture of accountability, organizations achieve operational excellence, resilience, and sustainable growth. The journey to accountability requires commitment, adaptability, and continuous improvement. As operational environments evolve, accountability will remain a guiding principle for success.